us learn some of the different strategies in online product marketing in order to boost your sales. Basically, marketing is one of the effective way to talk about your products and offers to your customers. To do this, all we need is to advertise and market the products. So, advertising or promoting your products stands as a base for making a good sale over the internet marketing. We have a lot of online marketing strategies and methods which promote and market them online. It is not possible for me to explain all of them, so I'll just mention some of the best marketing methods which will work great if you want guaranteed sales online. The first best online marketing strategy is the affiliate marketing. It is a method of marketing in which the companies pay for each visitors who join as their customers with their marketing efforts. If you choose affiliate marketing method, you will have benefits such as best collaboration and partnerships. You can easily track the customer reviews and also rate of views or clicks for your product. So, this method of online marketing will be helpful only if you want to know more about your customer mind. The next method is the contextual advertising. I would highly recommend you this method because it involves promoting your product in contextual form like building a blog which will bring you customers in long term. The third strategy that I am going to explain you is the mobile advertising. I think probably you would have got an idea why I am adding mobile advertising here. But anyways, let me explain you on why to choose mobile advertising. Nowadays, almost all people have a mobile of their own. Therefore, your offers will reach people more easier and in a cheaper way if you choose mobile advertising. So, it is also one of the easy-go method of marketing online. Now comes the search engine optimization. In general, SEO is defined as the process of optimizing your web page or even your entire business website in order to make them search engine friendly. If you are doing so, you will get ranked highly in search results. The factors such as title, description, website links, etc. are going to influence your SEO technique. So make sure you have all the things properly. SEO is a totally different world and you need to invest a lot of money and time in it. But it really worth the effort. You can hire an SEO expert if you want to market your product by ranking it in search engines. Now the final and best option is the social media marketing. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Google+, Twitter, etc. can bring you tons of laser targeted sales to your product if you promote the products correctly. You will be able to build your own potential set of customers if you are connected with more people consistently through social media. The software that I am providing for free will help you to do this work, and that is what I am teaching you in this course. If you want success quickly in online marketing, social media is the way you should choose. That's it for this particular lecture. In the next section, I'm going to provide my clear blueprint to get started with the online product marketing system.